Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to turn off active status on Instagram. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily turn off active status on Instagram. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device. So this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if it happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your app store and then search for your Instagram. Now just update your Instagram application to the latest version. So you need to make sure you are using the latest version of your Instagram application. Now once you are done with this, just open Instagram. Once you open your Instagram, click on your profile. Now once you click on your profile, you can see the three lines at the upper right corner. Click on this and then click on settings and privacy. Now just click on the search button over here, the search bar, and then search for act. Once you enter ACT or activity status, you can see show activity status. Click on that. Now you can see show your activity status. Turn off this toggle and that's it. So you can turn on and off your activity status on Instagram. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video